Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now that I'm finished my Tiki series, that doesn't necessarily mean I'm finished with fruity summertime drinks. As a matter of fact, we're going to be continuing on our summer drinks, a little fruity, a little sweet. Now we're going to head into some frozen cocktails. And this one I've gotten a lot of requests for, and this was the Pina Colada. So let's go ahead and get this started. Pretty simple. You're just going to need a few ingredients, and one of them I'm going to show you how to do, which is your own DIY low carb Coco Lopez. Some coconut cream. You're going to need some white rum and some pineapple juice. That's really it. There's a whole bunch of different ways you can make this using heavy cream and all this other stuff. We're going to make it easy, simple, and yummy. So let's get started. We're going to start with a blender. Stand blender, big blender, little blender. Something that goes really fast and crushes ice. So now, in your blender cup, we're going to start off with 2 ounces of light rum. Dark rum, light rum, gold rum, all the rums, really doesn't matter. But a pina colada will be better with a light rum, to be very honest. So it kind of matters. When you start going to the dark rums, you get a little bit of that barrel notes on it, and not always what you're looking for in a pina colada. A woody pina colada? I don't know. So we got our rum. Now we're going to go with 6 ounces of pineapple juice. Now, if you like a little more coconut, back the pineapple down, bring the coconut up, however you like it. I do like mine very heavy on a pineapple. And this is Libby's Light. We're actually only going to do 4 ounces now that I'm thinking about it. That's going to be 1.75 grams of carbs per ounce. We did 2, so do your math. My head hurts, I'm not doing math. Next, our Coco Lopez, our Coco Lopez substitute, which is our own. So basically what you do is you're going to take a can of unsweetened coconut milk. It's like 2 carbs per like quarter cup serving. You're going to blend that with some allulose. Kind of warm it on the stove with some allulose. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of that. Maybe 1 ounce, because we back down the pineapple a bit. So this is going to have a half a carb. Now I'm going to go with a good 6 to 8 ounces of ice. And if you start with some kind of semi-crushed ice to start with, it gets a little bit better consistency. Put your cap on and give it a whiz. And that should do it. Now get yourself a nice little tropical style glass. I'm gonna pour that right on it. Oh, look how nice that is. Look at that. That smells delicious already, and I ain't even gotten a straw in it yet. All right, and so yeah, let's get ourselves a straw. Boom. Oh yes, that looks good. Oh man, that's, if I wasn't going to get a copy strike on that, I'd be playing, a Pina Colada song from Margaritaville or something like that, but not with a copyright strike. So that's it, guys. There's your low carb frozen Pina Colada. Poolside time is ready. Oh, that's so good. All right, guys. As always, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because after this one, and really the next 2 videos I got planned, I'll be having a good day too. See y'all later.